Hey y'all, welcome back to Simple Man's Barbecue. I'm Jason. Today I'm doing a collaboration created by the Dawgfatha himself from the Dog Pound. It's going to be the tri-tip collaboration. There's quite a few folks in here. I don't exactly remember everybody who's in there. From what I know, about 10 to 12 people, and I'm one of the lucky ones. So I got a beautiful tri-tip right here that I got from my local Winco, and I trimmed off some of the fat cap. And today I'm just going to season this with my seasoned salt and pepper mixture. You know me, I keep it as simple as possible. And then I'm going to cook this on my pit barrel cooker today, like I did on my first tri-tip. That tri-tip tasted wonderful, man. I actually did a really good job on it. I just want to try to get a little bit more in the 130 to 135 range. And I want to slice it better, because I think the first time I sliced it the wrong way. But this time I'm going to slice it this way. Can you get down here? Because last time I sliced it this way, because I thought but now that I see the grains of the meat are going this way, so I'm going to slice this way instead. Okay, folks, so I'm going to go ahead and season this up real quick. Just like so. No binders for me. No thank you. Just give that a pat in. Now, I think I'm going to probably sear this on my cast iron griddle like I did the last time. Just because I don't see how I'm going to be able to sear it on the pit barrel cooker. I guess I could throw it on the coals, but I really don't want to do that. I'm not really into the caveman style, you know what I mean? That should be good. This should be a pretty simple cook. Alright, folks, I already got my pit barrel cooker fired up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the hook in the tri-tip. I'm going to hang it today, and then once it hits about 120, I'm going to bring it here to my cast iron griddle, and we're going to sear that bad boy up, okay? We'll see you back here in a little bit. Alright, folks, we got her on now. I'm like I said, this shouldn't take too long. I'm thinking about an hour, maybe even less, to get this up to 120. And then I'm going to take her inside and put her on the cast iron and get her all seared up. But next time I see you, we'll go ahead and throw her on the griddle, y'all. All right, folks. All right, folks. Right now, I got her tipping at 120 degrees. So I'm going to finish her off on the cast iron griddle. That's the best sear I could probably get, okay? So let's go put her on the griddle. So I'm going to put a nice chunk of butter down. There we go. Don't you just love the smell of butter when it's melting? There we go. There we go, folks. I'll sear her up. Alright, folks. I'm going to put some more butter right here on this side. So I'm going to flip it over and put it on this side. Nice and melted in there. There we go. Now, get up under here. There we go. Nice full sear. Could be a little bit darker, but I'm happy with that. I don't want to get it too smoky in here. Sorry, folks, that's my vent. Turn that off for a second. I don't want to get too smoky in here because I don't want to smoke everybody out. So I don't have it on full high, but that's a pretty good little sear. I'm happy with that. Let me take a quick temperature of it real quick. And see where we're at here. Right now we are at, can you see that temperature right there? Right now we are at 119, so alright, we still got about 10 more degrees to go. Alright, I've seared each side for about 5 minutes each. I'm going to give it one more flip because we're getting pretty close. Let me turn this off real quick so y'all can hear me. I'm going to flip this over one more time because right now we're at about 127. And as soon as it gets to 130, I'm going to go ahead and take her off. All right, folks. I'm gonna go ahead and take the temperature real quick, see where we're at. And right now we're still at 126. Okay, so we're 127. So a few more minutes and this should be done, and we're gonna go ahead and take this off, folks. All right, folks. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but we are at 131. That's perfect for me. Let's go ahead and take this off. All right, folks, we're going to go ahead and let this rest for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to go ahead and cut it in. Always let your meat rest, okay? Then we're going to Cobra Kai this bad boy, and we're going to slice it. All right, folks, we're all done now. Let it rest for about 20 minutes. So I'm going to cut into this, and just hoping that I did good, folks. Want to do good for you, Dogfather, man. I appreciate you letting me on this collaboration. So we're going to go ahead and cut into this. I'm going to start off this way, and okay, here we go. Now, from what I know, I think that the end part right here might not be as pink in the middle as it should be, but the tail of the tape will be right here in the middle of the tri-tip. So far, it seems pretty juicy. Let's take a look at this. Well, that's I don't know if y'all can tell there, but there's a nice little smoke ring. You see that smoke ring? That's a nice little smoke ring right there. Lower, like this? Yeah. Nice little smoke ring right there, but let's cut a little bit more. I'd like a little bit more pink than that, but let's see what we have here in the middle. There we go. That's a nice color. I like that. As y'all seen, I pulled it off at 130 degrees, and that's what we're looking like. And I'm liking that color. I don't know what y'all think about that. Go ahead and leave me a comment. Tell me what y'all think. But I'm pretty happy with that color. Let me cut just one more slice off here real quick. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Okay. Well, let's go. I'm going to go ahead and take a taste test. And I'll be doing this alone because my wife, she likes her steak well done, so she probably won't be taking a bite of this. But let me cut off. All right, folks. I'm going to cut off a little slice here. And let's see how we did.
I'm going to try this.
Well, I can really taste that hickory smoke in there.
Tastes like you just killed it. And
like I just killed Yeah. Yeah, she doesn't like it, man, because it's too pink. She said it tastes like we just killed it and ate it. But, man, that is how a steak is supposed to be done, woman. Don't you understand that? These women, you know. But, listen, Dogfather, I appreciate you, Brother Alton. I appreciate you letting me join on this collaboration, man. Especially last minute. I've had a blast doing this, brother. I'm honored to do this with you. I hope I did this to your liking, brother, to your standards. For all my subscribers out there, all my watchers, thank you so much for always coming back to my channel and watching my videos. Anybody who's new out there, if you're watching this for the first time, please like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you all so much, all of my subscribers and my non-subscribers. I love you all, man. God bless you all. Keep it simple, and I'll see you next time.